What's going on YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Of course, we got another pickup from Lids online, and actually one pickup that's out of the store. So we're gonna get right into those, and stay tuned because we're gonna get into some of the giveaway information. It's not gonna be done on this video. It's gonna have its own standalone video for the giveaway, but it's already shut down. It's over. We already got the people that wanted to be in it. But we're gonna give y'all that information at the end of the video. So we're gonna get right into it, man. We got a online pickup, in-store pickup from Lids. We're gonna get right into it. Stay tuned. All right, we back. Like I said, we got an in-store pickup. We got an online pickup. We're gonna get into the in-store pickup. These, of course, they're new to me, but they're not new releases per se, because they're actually just a couple of hats that I didn't get to grab because they didn't have my size. So I was able to actually grab them in a size 8. We're gonna get into the in-store pickup first. This one is I guess you could pretty much probably say it's an older hat, but I just like the style of it and the actual colorway on it. So, and I like the team. You know me, I'm a big logo guy, so I like the team logo. But we're gonna get right into it, which is the 2017 All-Star hat. This is the Chicago White Sox version. And like I said, it's just something about this hat. Like I don't know if I want to say this is like a gold or a tarnished copper like, but I like the way their logo stood out on it. And I actually wanted this in 2017 on, you know, when the All-Star game happened, when I seen them, you know, first putting them out there. But I don't know if this was a top All-Star seller, like, you know, unlike other All-Star games, but these were going quick. I actually tried to get them in like 4 different teams, and I wasn't able to get the actual one of the 4 teams that I wanted. So I didn't really trip off of that, but I was able to find it in store. So, and I had to jump on it. It was like literally the only one left in a size 8. So, but there you go. You already know you got your gold size 8. Like I said, you got your Sox logo. And to me, the Sox logo looks real sick. And it's like I said, I don't know what it is, like a dull gold copper like, you know what I mean? And you got your All-Star logo right there, 2017. And I like that All-Star logo too. It's kind of thing, like how it has the rays like almost like a metal type feel to it. Then you got your New Era flag. Then of course you got your under, you got your size 8, you got your New Era stamp. So I mean, and your authentic MLB, you know what I mean? And then I guess this is just your tag for it, because I mean this is a special kind of fiber and you can feel it and tell it is. I guess it's just to, like, you know, keep your head cool when you're playing the game or whatever. Even the tag feels funny, you know, which is not a bad thing. It feels good. It's like almost like a smooth plastic like. But and you see even your top bill button here is like that tarnished gold copper. Like I said, I'm not really sure what you would call it. And you see all your little top emblems are in the shape of stars too. So like I said, it's nice. I got a couple of kicks that'll go with this. And like I said, what I'm gonna start doing too is, like, when I get a hat, I'm gonna pull out maybe 1 or 2 kicks that I have to go with it, just to show how I will style it and rock it. So that'll be coming up too when I get to that, because that's unfortunately a lot of shoes to pull out. But I'll probably do it ahead of time, like before I even start recording, so I know what shoes was gonna go with what kicks. So like I said, just an idea I've been throwing around that I might get into. So, but that's your first one, your 2017 Chicago White Sox All-Star hat. Now we're gonna get into the online pickup. I don't have my knife on me, so go ahead and get this open real quick. Like, hold on a minute. Had to find the closest thing handy to pop it open. Yeah, and I'm just opening it right now. Now, this one, I actually caught a deal on it for what it was actually going for. I'm assuming they sent it from another store, because it's not wrapped in the plastic, so I'm assuming it was mailed out from whatever store had it in my size and sent it over. Oh yeah, that's not bad. This is your Chicago Cubs Ultimate Patch Collection hat. And as you see, got it for 25 bucks plus on top of my, my premium membership. So you might as well say I spent about maybe $17 for this, because I knocked it off of that from the original 35, then it went to 25, and then with mine it went down to about 17, and it was free shipping, of course. So, but yeah, it's Ultimate Patch Collection with the special cap, with your special gold A, with your Ultimate Patch Collection insignia around it. And you got your $25 off discount. And this, what I like the best about it is the logo, man. I love that Cub logo, so I had to get that. And the pinstripes just set it off perfect. Definitely got a couple of pair of shoes that's gonna go with this and look real fly with it. You got your little Cub holding a little bat, if you can see that. And then, like I said, it's Ultimate Patch Collection. So you got your patch right here, the Cubs. And on the patch, if you can't see it, it says West Side Grounds, Chicago, Illinois. And then it has the Cubs in the middle. You get a close-up of that. Of course, you got your New Era flag on the other side. Your MLB logo on the back. Then on your inside, you got your Cooperstown. You got your New Era. And, of course, you got your 8 on the back. You got your pinstripe signs on the inside. But yeah, this wasn't bad, especially for the price. You know what I mean? I like their Ultimate Patch Collection. I have a lot of them in my collection, as far as, like I said, the Ultimate Patch Collection. I like the way they have their patches and insignias on the side for different type of teams. I was looking for the Boston Red Sox when they had with this one, because they had like the green monster on the side of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm a big fan of that. So, but yeah, that's that one right here, 25 bucks. Not bad at all, you know what I mean? Couple of simple pickups, the ones that I wanted to catch up on that I wasn't able to pick up before because of size issues, which I really don't know how that works, because I guess they'll sell out, but I guess when they're done selling them in the stores, they'll send them back to the warehouse, and then they'll put them back on there as far as the size, because when I looked for both of these a while back, the size 8s were gone. Went back on there again when I do my filters, if a hat's in my size. These came up and jumped right on them, especially for the price now, because they've been out for so long. So not bad with that. Like I said, you got the Chicago Cubs Ultimate Patch Collection. You got your Chicago White Sox All-Star hat. Nice 2 simple pickups. And giveaway information. Before I forget, we like 6 minutes in on the video, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. But giveaway information, as far as the people that were in it, there will be a video after this one with no pickups involved. It'll just be literally for the giveaway. So look for that in about maybe 2 to 3 days. When I get some downtime when I'm off work, we'll get that right out to you. Then right after that, I get your information, get that sent out to you. So stay tuned after this video. I'm gonna do a standalone follow-up video as far as just for the delivery to announce the winners. So definitely stay tuned for that. And then, of course, more pickups on the way. I literally got something coming in today also. So I'm going to get it out as fast as I can get it out and get it to you guys so you can get a look at it. So in the video, Chicago Cubs Ultimate Patch Collection 2017 All-Star hat, man. You already know what it is. It's your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Man, stick with me while the collection get bigger. I'm going to get with y'all on the next one. So stay tuned, man. I'm gone.